Hello and welcome back to Talkative Anjali's Kitchen. And there you see my prep, and you know that I'm here with you to show you a new recipe. So the gas is on. I have put it on sim because I was just about to show you the prep. And so this is a street style pulao that I'm going to make. I had prepped beforehand. I had made extra rice yesterday and this was in the fridge. So now the rest of the prep, let me show it to you. I have ginger which has been mashed to a paste. There is some coriander which I will chop later on, cilantro, half a cup of peas, green peas frozen. Then I have this thetsa which is ready made in my fridge, so I'm going to use that. It has garlic and red chilies mashed, fresh red chilies. Then there is about 2 tomatoes, 2 small onions, and that is about 1 cup of rice cooked. So now the pan is hot and let's begin by first adding, though this tawa pulao is essentially flavored with butter, we are going to start by adding about 2 teaspoons of oil because we don't want the butter to burn. So 2 teaspoons of oil, and then we are going to use butter. So I'm going to use about 2 teaspoons of butter. So once our butter melts, we will start doing the tadka. Alright, so the butter has melted. Now in goes the thetsa first. Okay, so thetsa, and then I'm going to put the ginger. Going to increase the temperature of the heat. Okay, it's nice and sizzling. That's the way we want it. Okay, now we will add the onions. These are fine chopped onions, like you would cut for pav bhaji, because this pulao generally is made at the end, when pav bhaji is getting over and the vendors are about to wrap up. That is when they make this pulao. And so the flavors are all of the pav bhaji. Basically a kitchen sink kind of a pulao. Sorry, the thetsa is making me sneeze so much, and so that means it promises to be tasty. Haha. Let this fry nicely. I have already salted the thetsa, so, and also I've used salt in the ginger, so no need to add extra salt. I mean, that is taken care of. Now in go the tomatoes after the onions have kind of smelted. I'm going to keep this on high and let the tomato crumble into a nice sauce. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. So now let's check Okay, the tomatoes have nicely crumbled. So we are going to give it a stir. The high heat is what gives it the real taste. It has to all be like smoky good. See how well they have formed a nice paste along with the onions. Now we will add the peas. Once the peas are added, we will cover and cook for another 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I am going to open my Everest Pav Bhaji masala, because we will be using about 2 teaspoons of this Pav Bhaji masala in the tawa pulao. And by the way, this is not a paid sponsored post, rather video. This is just something that I use every day. Okay, so it's 5 minutes and the peas would have cooked. Meanwhile, I have removed 2 teaspoons of Pav Bhaji masala over here. So I'm going to add 1 teaspoon in here, so that we get a nice masala gravy. Now we will add the rice into it. So the gas is too fast. I'm going to reduce it to medium, and I've added the rice into the bhaji and I'm giving it a stir. Tawa pulao is almost ready. We just have to mix in everything and allow it to get a nice flavor, color, and to mix properly. For tawa pulao, always it is advisable to cook rice ahead of time. I had cooked it yesterday and it was in the fridge, and it is an fluffy rice. This is not the rice that you will eat with a curry. This is a pulao rice, so it will give a nice tawa pulao. Okay, so it's mixed lovely. Let it warm up nicely. We will cover it, and meanwhile we will chop the coriander, the dhania. Let us check. Okay, so the pulao looks nicely cooked. Masala is all distributed very well into the pulao. Give it a mix. If there are any white parts, just make sure that they are all colored. Baba, tawa pulao ready for dinner. Come take how much you want. Now we are going to sprinkle the cilantro onto it. I'm going to stir the cilantro into it. I don't like it on top in the pulao. It shouldn't be. It should give some flavor to the pulao, so I usually mix it. And because this is a pulao which is made with pav bhaji masala, it needs another third dimension of sourness. So we are going to use nimbu on it. There is one sourness due to the amchur inside, and then there is another sourness due to the tomatoes, and this third sourness is to the lime, and that is what makes the tawa pulao so beautiful. Paneer. So that is the lemon juice going on top of the pulao. about half a lemon. This lemon is small, so when you use about half a lemon and squeeze it. Also this lemon is dried, looks like. Put off the gas and then mix it. And this pulao, I'm going to top it up with paneer for my dad. Of the pulao, I'm going to leave it like that, and half I've topped with. So our tawa pulao is ready. So that is our tawa pulao. So if you like this recipe, do subscribe to my channel Talkative Anjali and do make it. It's so easy.